With Kyligence's rich APIs, enterprises can automate metrics building and management within the full life cycle. This tutorial shows how to leverage Kyligence APIs to automate metrics publication. In step 1, we will load Hive tables to Kyligence. Then to start the automated model building with SQL. The next step is to set partition columns to enable incremental data loading. Then we will load data from a specified time range. And the last step is to run the metrics query. Before we start, please go to the home page of Kyligence Enterprise to enable AI-augmented mode. Then we will use the SSB dataset to query the sales of Mozambique on January 1, 1993. In step 1, we will load Hive table metadata to the Kylin metrics store project. The return parameters indicate the tables are successfully loaded. In step 2, we will call the Accelerate SQL API to upload SQL. Kyligence will automatically start the model building. You can check the model name, dimensions, and measures. Partition columns will enable incremental data loading, and shorten data preparation duration. Return value indicates partition columns are set successfully. Load data from a specified time range. Use curl to send the SQL query. Check the sales figure in Mozambique on January 1, 1993. The return AG index indicates the query is successfully accelerated. You can get the sales number from parameter results. With Kyligence APIs, we have successfully automated the metrics publishing process.